You can have this one, or you can have this one, or this one does not squeak. This is like a chew. Hey, did I lose your attention?
Yes.
Come here. Do you like squeezies? Oh, you like that.
Good boy.
Do you
Aww.
like squeezies? Or which one do you want? Stormy, which one? Oh, Stormy wants a squeezie too. Sid, this is for you. This is for you. There we go. Do you play? Do you pull and play? There we go. Get it. Get it. Get it.
Sid.
She likes that. Look at that.
Yeah. Well, there's a wubba around that's hers, this one. It's the same thing. It's a wubba.
They're made so well, eh?
They are.
Hey, this is for you. There you go.
Good boy,
Look at
Sid.
this teething
Good
ring.
boy. Well, they've taken an interest in Nylabones lately.
Oh, really?
They're 2, 3, and 5 in Nylabones.
Just now.
Yeah. Doesn't make any sense.
Thunder. Sit. Sit. Good boy. No sit. Paw. Good boy. There you go. There you go. There's a good boy. You're so good. Look at you. Sit. Oh, I'm torturing you, aren't I?
He'll be your best friend now.
What is it?
His cookie container.
It's just Thunder?
No, everybody gets them.
Everybody gets one?
It's labeled with his name.
Oh, look at you. Oh my God, he's so gorgeous. Everybody sit. Good. Oh, you sat first. You're so good. Can I have your paw? Thank you. Can I have the other one? Thank you. Harley used to do that too. Okay, here we go. Good boy. Pretty girl, you sat next. Paw. Up here, look. Paw. No. Paw.
She doesn't do paw.
Come on.
She doesn't get it.
No. Paw. Paw. Stormy. Paw. No. Oh, there you go. Right here. Good girl, gentle. Sit. Sit. You have to back away so far.
Yes, he does.
There you go. There. Oh, he's so gentle when he does
He's
that.
very gentle. Good boy, Sid. What'd she give you?
Here. Oh. I'm sorry, Daddy. Every time I squeak, she looks. Here. Got your mom.
I don't have any cookies. She gave you cookies. I don't have any. See? None in my pockets.
But Mom,
No.
you always have cookies for me.
Frog? Oh. It's her frog. I don't have any cookies.
Inside than he is outside. Sid is different. You
Yeah.
notice? He knows more to be mellow.
Yep.
Not 100 mellow, 100%, but